I'm Jason Myers, and I won a Rolex from watchgang.
Congratulations, Jason Myers!
Yeah! Jason Myers, congratulations. You won a frickin' Rolex today.
So I got it. Here it is. Let's see what we got. Super pumped.
Hold your hand out flat before you get into that box. Just hold your
A little shaky. So there's that beautiful green case, that ionic green case. And I gotta say, I gotta give a fat shout out to everybody over at watchgang. They have been super helpful and supportful the entire time. All right, so here we go. Authenticity guarantee, Rolex Datejust. So sick. There it is. That is absolutely beautiful. Cannot believe that. Oh my goodness. So awesome.
You are shaking, man.
Thank you, I am shaking.